Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today I'm going to do a walk around of this brand new 2022 Healy Cushion Forklift, model number CPYD15C KU1H. Now this forklift has a base capacity of 3,000 pounds and it runs on LP. You'll see there that it has three-way hydraulics. While we're over here, I want to show you that very nice digital display that shows you everything you need to know about your forklift. Coming up here to the mast, this is a three-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 189 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. Now this comes with 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. Looking at the tires, you'll see that this has black, smooth, cushion tires. And let's come up here to the front to look at these lights. We have these ultra bright LED headlights, as well as the combination light here in front that has that work light, as well as turn signals. Coming inside of the cabin, we have more great safety features, including that convex rear view mirror up there. Down here on the steering wheel, we have that steering wheel knob, as well as a fully adjustable steering column. You'll see here that this seat is a fully adjustable, full suspension seat that adjusts both with your incline as well as your forward and your backwards, and with your suspension. And we have that high visibility orange safety belt as well. Back on that back pillar, we have that rear pillar handle with a horn that keeps a horn at your operator's thumb at all times, even when backing up. And back here on the back, we have lots of lights back here. We have those combination lights that show you not only your brake lights, but also your turn signals and your reverse, and you'll hear that backup alarm. And up on top, you'll see that we have that magnetic yellow strobe that is movable and repositionable. So let me hop on and start it up for you. Very, very smooth operation. As I mentioned, this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.